Hello everyone, welcome to 30 days of code challenge and thank you for showing your interest in this challenge. So in this video, I will guide you how you can submit your 30 days of code challenge daily questions. So we will share you daily questions in the WhatsApp group and you need to solve it. It is basically a DSA based question. So here what you need to do, you need to solve, for example, today we have shared you the question of broken vase, so you need to solve it like this, and in any language you can solve it, for example C++, Python, JavaScript, Java, C. This five language supports Newton school, so in any language, in any kind of any five language, you can solve it. After solving it, you just need to click on submit. First of all, run the code, and after that you need to submit. And don't worry if your all test cases are not passing, try your best to pass all the test cases, but if it is not passing all the test cases, just need to try to develop your skills and try to code daily. All right, this is our main motive. So now how you need to take the screenshot, this is the main thing. So firstly you need to display all the test cases, and after that you need to open your profile from here and make sure your name and your mail ID is displaying here, so that we can confirm. So in this way you need to take the screenshot. Just take your screenshot and after that go to any handle, like for example I am posting it on Twitter. So on Twitter or LinkedIn you can post it. So here you need to write the question name. Basically today we have given you broken vase, so just write question name is broken vase and in which language you have solved. For example I have solved it in C++, so I'm writing here C++. If you solved it in Java, you need to write here Java. And after that, the day, after that of hashtag 30 days of code, and hashtag community is really important hashtag. So like we can match the hashtags. So make sure you need to put these two hashtags, and we will share the content in the group also. So like this you need to share. So put your screenshot. In that screenshot, make sure your name and your mail ID displaying and your test cases are displaying. All right, and this type of content, after posting it, we will share you the Google form by evening. So you need to fill that Google form daily. We will share you the unique Google form for daily questions. All right, so here you need to fill your mail ID first of all. So, for example, I am filling my mail ID. After that, you need to fill your full name. After filling your full name, you need to fill your mobile number here. And after filling your mobile number, you need to put here the Twitter or LinkedIn post where you posted. So, just copy that link and paste it here. And after pasting it, if you have want any kind of specific topics workshop, you can suggest us. And also if you have any kind of suggestion to improve this program, we are also very happy to take your suggestions. So you can post your suggestions here. After filling the form, you just need to submit, and you have successfully contributed in the 30 days of code for day one. So and by night we will update your points, and after updating the points we will update the WhatsApp group also. So in this way you can submit your 30 days of code. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching and happy coding.